How's it going, guys? We got it back together. I'll spare you. It took about an hour and a half. We videoed it, but I'm not going to force anybody to suffer through that. We got a tune issue. I don't know, maybe an oxygen sensor went bad. I got another one to try. I noticed last night when I was warming the car up that once it went into closed loop mode, the computer was commanding 13.2 AFR. O2 sensor was reading 15 and it was pig rich, so I think the O2 sensor died. This O2 sensor is about 10 months old, so we're going to change it real quick and then see if we can get this thing to run right, because we had a call out. A local guy with a F-body thinks he can outrun us. So let's change this sensor real quick and then see if we can get this tune laid out. We'll change it out real quick. See if that's the problem. If it is, we'll just have to order a new one, because I'd like to keep a spare, because this only bad thing about fuel injection is very dependent on a good proper O2 sensor, so we like to keep a spare one in the house at all times. Let's get this one out of here. Take a look at it. I hear it rattling sometimes, but I don't hear nothing in it. Sometimes there's like a ceramic in there, it seems to break. Bouncing on the two-step causes them to break. Put this cap on this one, because this one may be good, it may be another issue, but we'll see. This one in. Only thing about a turbo car like that, when you're going to lay it out, make everything easy. I ain't got to lay on my back underneath the car to change oxygen sensor. It's simple. Unraveled. Just get it snug down here. Okay, that's that. Now plug it in. And we'll go see what the AFR is reading now. Let's see what happens when it goes into closed loop. Connected. Okay. And just grab this sensor here. Like I said, I'm not sure. This is the original sensor that come with a Holley kit that we put in less than a year ago. Let's fire it up and see. The closed loop wiring really screwed a lot of stuff up in the car. Taking forever to warm up. Let's see what command it is. We got coolant temp, we got like 68 degrees. Let it warm up. brakes on them. Take it very loud. Let's see where the commander is. Your G sensor seems to be working. That might be it. Well, I think that fixed the problem. We'll try that oxygen sensor. The reading looks right now, it's commanding the 13.1. It looks like it's bouncing around trying to hold a 13.2 or so. So, alrighty, I guess we'll get on the computer and order one from Holley. Get us a new one in and we'll be ready to go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We're going to blow some slicks on it, and maybe tomorrow we'll take it for a ride. Alright, have a good one. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, tell me what you like, tell me what you hate. Trust me, it won't hurt my feelings. Alright, good night guys.